If you need some advice or looking for an idea, just to get some tips, you can get that right here. This is Lori's life, yeah, this is Lori's life, yeah. Check out Lori's life, yeah, this is.
Welcome back, ladies, to the Grown Women's Table. Ladies, your girl Lori. Hey, girl, hey. Okay, y'all hear the airplane, right? We're gonna let it pass, because it's trying not to let me do what I need to do. Okay. Hey girl, hey, how y'all doing today? Guys, I am doing a collab video with Laura, and she wanted to do an eyeshadow look like our final fling, our final summer look of the season, using this Alamere palette. You guys, we got these palettes in the BoxyCharm. Yeah, in BoxyCharm. And this is what it looks like. And some of you guys wanted me to do a look with this, so here's your look. So I want you to go ahead, make sure you check out the description box, because all the ladies that are participating, I will have their information in the description box. And guys, I really enjoyed doing this video. I really like this palette. So if you want to see how I came up with this look, then you need to keep watching. All right, y'all, we're using an Alamar palette, and we're going to use the Alamar brushes as well. And we got this from BoxyCharm, and I'm gonna go in with that first color. It's called Cocoa Taxi. It's kind of like a mustard color yellow, and I'm gonna use that color as an all-over transitional color, and it's really pretty. It goes on easy. This is a really good palette, y'all. When I tell you these products or these shadows blended so well, they blended so well. Now I'm gonna go into Tropical. And it's more of a orangey, reddish orangey color, and I'm gonna put that in my crease, and I'm gonna use that to deepen up the crease. Y'all, this is a palette I really enjoy using, and I'm going back in because I want to build the palette, the color up, but it is pretty pigmented. It's not your standard palette where you gotta do a whole lot of work with. It's an easy palette. And then of course, y'all know how I feel about blend. You always have to blend out those eyeshadows. So I'm using my NYX blending brush, and now I'm gonna go in with this color. That name I'm not gonna try to play myself, but it's the dark bluish color, and I'm putting it on, y'all, at an angle, and I'm taking it from the outer part of my eye and bringing it into the middle, but kind of slanted, because I want these colors to kind of all seem like one color when I finish. And now I'm gonna go in with the green color, and these are like metallic colors, y'all. This color reminds me of Urban Decay's Mildew. That's why I'm gonna use that eyeliner later on, but I'm using the little small brush that we got from the brush set, and I'm using the same brush, and I'm gonna go in with this. Ooh, this is a silver, yellow, green. It's a really funny color, but it's absolutely stunning. And you guys see, I am putting these shadows on, no type of glitter glue. That's how pigmented these shadows are. It reminds me of the Juvia's Place shadows, how they are very pigmented, very pigmented. And now I'm gonna go back in with that orangey color again to just do a little cleanup. So you know, all these colors are meshing together, and I don't want any lines, harsh lines. And then what I'm gonna do next is go in with this color is more of a silver color, that very top one, and y'all, it's really pretty, but I didn't want it to be like bang in your face. So what I'm gonna do, you'll see, is I'm gonna go back in with the Cocoa Taxi and kind of tone it down just a little bit, and use that color to do a little cleanup work. Oh, whoa, girl, I got my hair on. I know, y'all, I shocked y'all, I know. I went in with NYX Sapphire liner, and I'm taking it from the outer into the middle, and then I'm using Urban Decay's, what is it? Oh, Urban Decay's Mildew. And y'all, that is basically the whole look. So tell me, what do you think? Oh, wait, no, it's not. I forgot. I had to go back in and put in the blue on top of the blue and the green on top of the green liner, just to give that look a little bit more of a pop. And also I do that too to keep my my eyeliner from running. That's a good tip. Add the same color eyeshadow on top to keep your eyeliner from running. But basically, now that's the look. All right, ladies, you saw how I came up with this eye look. That was really simple, really easy, really, guys. It didn't take a whole lot of fuss to get this look. And I really, really like this look. And I think you could use this look with multiple colors. And guys, I got a surprise coming for you guys. In the month of October, we're going to get a lot of eyeshadow looks. Keep on the lookout for that. But guys, make sure you go over, check out everybody else's channel. They will be in the description bar. And go see what looks they came up with using this palette. This is a gorgeous palette. I will say this palette not only is for summer, because if you look at this palette, I did want to mention this. Okay, if you look at this palette, the first top four, you know, okay, you might say summer, but those bottom four is definitely a nice fall time look. Can you see it? I see that fall time look. That's a nice fall time look. So you can get a summer look and a fall look with this palette. A very nice palette. And as you saw in the video, I did go ahead and I used the brushes that came in our BoxyCharm as well. And they work pretty good. I had no problem with it at all. All right, y'all, that's it. Thank you so much. Make sure you thumbs up this video if you like it. Make sure if you're not subscribed, subscribe. And to all my new supporters, I see you and I appreciate you. And if you haven't subscribed yet, girl, hit that button so that I can save you a seat at the Grown Women's Table. And until the next video, bye-bye, ladies.
Like, if you need some advice or looking for an idea, or just to get some tips, you can get that right here. This is Lori's Life, yeah, this is Lori's Life. Check out Lori's Life, yeah, it's Lori's Life.